Hello and welcome to our YouTube video where we will delve into the book summary of The Artist's Way by Julia Cameron. Whether you're an aspiring artist, a creative at heart, or simply looking to unleash your inner potential, this book is sure to guide you on a transformative journey towards unlocking your creativity. So, let's dive into the summary of this incredible book. But before we dive into the content, I kindly request a moment of your time to appreciate this video by liking it, subscribing to the channel, and ringing that notification bell. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you so much. The Artist's Way by Julia Cameron is an intuitive path to greater creativity. Living the Artist's Way offers a 6-week program designed to strengthen your connection to your intuition and the higher forces that supply us with inspiration. By looking at day-to-day concerns, it offers ways to stay calm, motivated, and optimistic about your work. Living the Artist's Way by Julia Cameron guides readers on unlocking their creativity and embracing their artistic pursuits. Here's why this book is worth reading. Offers practical exercises and tools to help tap into and nurture our creative potential, fostering personal growth and self-expression. Encourages the practice of daily rituals that cultivate creativity, allowing individuals to embark on a fulfilling artistic journey. The book provides insightful anecdotes and success stories that inspire and validate the transformative power of artistic self-discovery. Those are the individuals who truly deserve to immerse themselves in this extraordinary book. Anyone seeking creative inspiration, people suffering from self-doubt, artists looking for a more spiritual approach. Julia Cameron is a renowned author of dozens of books, including works of poetry, plays, and fiction. She is perhaps best known for her groundbreaking book, The Artist's Way, which has inspired millions worldwide to unlock their creativity and live more fulfilling lives. With a career spanning several decades, Cameron continues to empower individuals through her writings, workshops, and creative insights. The Artist's Way is a groundbreaking book that has inspired countless individuals to tap into their creative spirits and live more fulfilling lives. Written by renowned author and creativity expert Julia Cameron, this book provides a 12-week program designed to help readers overcome creative blocks, self-doubt, and other obstacles that may be standing in the way of their artistic pursuits. The core concept of The Artist's Way is the notion of connecting with one's inner creativity through two key practices: morning pages and artist dates. Morning pages involve writing 3 pages of stream of consciousness every morning to clear the mind and tap into one's creative flow. Artist dates, on the other hand, are weekly solo adventures aimed at nurturing and replenishing one's creative well. Through practical exercises, thought-provoking reflections, and inspiring stories, Julia Cameron empowers readers to recognize and embrace their creative potential. By engaging with the tools and techniques outlined in the book, individuals are guided to rediscover their passions, embrace their unique talents, and cultivate a more creative and fulfilling life. Throughout the 12-week journey, readers are encouraged to explore their creative aspirations, confront their fears and limiting beliefs, and take actionable steps towards realizing their artistic dreams. By cultivating a sense of self-trust, self-expression, and self-discovery, readers can cultivate a deeper connection with their creativity and experience profound personal growth. The Artist's Way is not just a book. It's a roadmap to unlocking your creative potential, embracing your true self, and living a more authentic and fulfilling life. Whether you're a writer, painter, musician, or simply someone seeking to reignite your passion for creativity, this book offers valuable insights, guidance, and inspiration to help you on your creative journey. Julia Cameron's compassionate and wise approach to creativity allows readers to confront their fears, doubts, and insecurities head-on, guiding them towards a deeper understanding of their innermost desires and aspirations. By embarking on the transformative journey outlined in this book, you'll uncover hidden talents, tap into your creative intuition, and ignite a spark of passion that will propel you forward on your artistic path. Through the power of journaling, reflection, and self-discovery, The Artist's Way invites you to engage with your creativity on a profound level, encouraging you to explore the depths of your imagination and embrace the artistic gifts that lie within you. By committing to the practices outlined in this book, you'll develop a stronger sense of self-awareness, self-compassion, and self-belief, paving the way for a more authentic and fulfilling creative life. As you immerse yourself in the transformative journey of The Artist's Way, you'll not only awaken your creativity but also cultivate a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you. This book serves as a beacon of light for those seeking to reclaim their creative power, reignite their passion for art, and cultivate a more meaningful and purposeful existence. Here are some invaluable insights gleaned from this captivating book. I trust you will find them exceedingly beneficial. Feel free to delve deeper into its wisdom and let it inspire new perspectives and ideas in your journey. Writing for guidance and grounding. If you're familiar with The Artist's Way, the author's influential 1992 book, then you might remember the key practices that it taught. If not, don't worry, we'll do a quick recap. The Artist's Way was about igniting and nurturing your creative spark, guiding you through a transformative journey toward greater artistic expression. At its core are 4 essential tools designed to unlock your creativity and unleash your potential. The first, and perhaps most important, tool is morning pages, which invites you to engage in a daily ritual. When you wake up, take a moment to produce 3 full-length pages of longhand, freeform writing. Don't overthink it. Even if it's gibberish, just write down whatever comes to mind. This practice serves as a gateway to clear your mind, fostering a fertile ground in which creativity can flourish. Second is artist dates. This practice beckons you to treat your inner artist to weekly solo adventures, whether it's a museum visit, a stroll through nature, or a couple of hours of quiet reflection. These excursions fuel inspiration and rejuvenate your creative spirit. Then there are the walks, solitary ambles undertaken twice a week with no distractions. No phone, no dog. This is all about you reconnecting with your surroundings. These walks serve as opportunities for introspection, often leading to unexpected insights and revelations. The fourth tool is the one the author is focusing on this time around. It's called writing for guidance. It encourages you to pose questions to the universe in writing and listen for the answers that manifest through your pen. This form of intuitive writing serves as a conduit for divine wisdom, offering reassurance, clarity, and direction. In Living the Artist's Way, the author is essentially mixing memoir with practical advice. She's giving us a peek into her day-to-day life and showing us all the different ways in which writing for guidance can be helpful. It's all framed as a 6-week program, with each week spent focusing on a different benefit that guidance can provide. So let's start with week 1, where the goal is to invite grounding. To put it bluntly, there's no aspect of life where guidance can't be of help. The goal of this first week is to understand that and to begin the practice of writing for guidance, even when it comes to everyday concerns and interactions with others. Think of it this way. Asking for guidance is not unlike composing a prayer, only, in this case, you're opening up a conduit through writing. You're writing down the question or concern at hand and seeing what response you get when you once again apply pen to paper. It's essentially strengthening your connection to your intuitive side, since you're writing down your response without any internal debate or second-guessing. The author's friend, Nick, asks for guidance every day. He starts his day by writing his morning pages, and then, feeling that his channels are open to receive, he asks for guidance about his poetry and what shape his verse should take that day. Another friend, Emma, often seeks guidance when it comes to career decisions. She often experiences the blessing and the curse of having to juggle multiple projects at the same time. So, by writing for guidance, she can quickly find an answer to what is most important to her and which projects should be prioritized. Through writing for guidance, individuals can tap into their intuition and receive insights from what the author refers to as higher forces. This daily ritual not only serves as a form of self-reflection, but also fosters a sense of grounding and connection to a larger spiritual or intuitive realm. Once you make this a regular practice, you'll see a wide range of benefits, including a more positive outlook on life. Most human beings have a natural tendency toward doubt and skepticism, but once you strengthen your connection to your intuitive side, you'll find that the answer that comes to you will often be something along the lines of everything will be all right. It will work out as it should in the end. Naturally, this will also benefit those who struggle with chronic anxiety and doubt. Things like stress and anxiety ebb and flow. When they do surface, taking a moment to put pen to paper and ask for guidance is a surefire way to help bring back a sense of groundedness, a feeling of calm and reassurance. So let's try one now. Get a sheet of paper and a pen, and write down 3 things that are currently a source of worry or anxiety. Try to identify the biggest, and then write down the question, what should I do about this issue? Then, whatever comes to mind, write it down. Chances are, new solutions will present themselves. 2. Staying strong, calm, and optimistic. Now that we have the basics out of the way, we'll move through the other 5 weeks of this program in a speedier fashion. Week 2 focuses on inviting strength. Strength can mean a lot of things, but in this case, it's about self-care. It's about giving yourself the time and space for positive reinforcement and building up a healthy sense of self-worth. Another of the author's friends is Scott, a Lakota elder and a therapist. Scott's been sober for over 30 years now. This takes a lot of strength. He admits that it can sound cuckoo when he talks about his spiritual practice, but he believes that he receives daily guidance from an unseen spirit world. As he puts it, of course there are spirits who love and guide us. The author agrees. 3. Guidance for stamina and commitment. Moving on to week 5, it's time to focus on resilience and cultivate stamina. This can be done in a number of ways, and it's not unlike building muscle. It takes practice and a certain amount of surrender and acceptance. Remember that serenity prayer? Being resilient means accepting that things aren't always in our control and strengthening our ability to navigate life's uncertainties with grace and wisdom. Key to being able to do this is to open yourself up and to allow yourself to receive divine guidance. Getting out of your usual environment can be helpful in this regard. The author finds nature to be a much better environment for generating a calm and receptive mind. She also makes a practice of filling her indoor space with nature, even carrying home pine cones from time to time. So, whether you're an aspiring artist, a seasoned creative, or someone simply yearning to express themselves more authentically, The Artist's Way offers a roadmap to self-discovery, personal growth, and artistic fulfillment. Embrace the wisdom, insights, and encouragement found within these pages, and let Julia Cameron's transformative teachings inspire you to unlock your creative potential and live a life filled with passion, purpose, and creativity. You can find the link to acquire a copy of this incredible book in the description below. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the transformative world of The Artist's Way by Julia Cameron. May this book be a guiding light on your creative journey, empowering you to embrace your artistic gifts, nurture your creative soul, and shine brightly as the unique and talented artist that you are. If you found this video insightful, be sure to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to our channel for more book summaries and personal development content. And please share your thoughts on this book summary by commenting down below. Remember, the world is waiting for your creative brilliance. So go forth and create with courage, confidence, and boundless inspiration. Until next time, stay awesome.